അഗസ്ത്യം.
ശ്രീ അഗസ്ത്യ ഗുരു പരബ്രഹ്മനേ നമഃ. അഗസ്ത്യർ വഴിപാട്. It is with deep devotion that I offer the divine wisdom of sage Agastya as contained in the book Agasthyar Vazhipaadu, in the series that Agasthyam is honored to produce. From that wealth of knowledge, I have selected a few topics that render themselves to the audio-visual medium. It's my humble service to render into speech this beautiful blend of verses and text of the great sage Agastya. I request those who would like to know more about the ancient sage to please view my videos on Agasthyam, which touch upon the legends and history that gives a bird-eye view of the extensive wealth of wisdom that the sage has given us. I say this only because it is hard to compile all that is attributed to sage Agastya in one book or even a collection of books. The knowledge in various fields that emanated from him. I would like to share that I was blessed with the vision of the great sage in the Pudikai mountain range at Agastya Malai. This too can be seen in a separate video in YouTube link. Like me, many of Agastya's devotees have been instrumental in bringing this knowledge to you today. Those interested may read the book Agastya, the way translation and transliteration of Agasthyar Vazhipaadu, available for purchase online. The verses that I now give you were received by Agastya's devotee Gajraj and written down by his wife Vijayalakshmi. Many others are involved in this work, but choose to remain in the background for this series. It is not about us, but about the great wisdom and guidance that sage Agastya has given to mankind. What is being presented here is in the original Tamil verses with English transliteration. So, Om, the first to be manifest in highest of the knower among the living in O, dispelling the illusion of life in Ma. Is that sacred feet of Agastya? Let us touch that feet every day. A is the letter that is the first in writing. It is that A that the cosmic sound of Om is inherent. In the same way, it is the one who created the world with all its living beings, that is the Absolute. In that creation, in the U, which signifies the living beings that created, those who have attained self-realization, having selflessly forgotten their own welfare, living for others, without even thinking of living for themselves. Those lives are the great Munis. Among those Munis, the first who was blessed by the Creator was without doubt the great Muni Agastya, the one who removes the veil of illusion regarding the living beings in the world, the one who bestows sacred life and wealth of grace, knowledge, light. The one who was first blessed by the Creator is Father Agasthyar. அகத்தியரின் பாதம். அகாரமாய் எழுத்தினில் ஆகிய முதல்வனின் உகாரமாய் உயர்களில் உயர்ந்த முனிவனாய் மகாரமாய் பிறப்பேனும் மாயை நீக்கியருள் பகர்ந்த அகத்தியன் பதம் நிதம் பற்றுவோம். அகாரமாய் எழுத்தினில் ஆகிய முதல்வனின் உகாரமாய் உயர்களில் உயர்ந்த முனிவனாய் மகாரமாய் பிறப்பேனும் மாயை நீக்கி அருள் பகர்ந்த Agathiyan Padam Nidam Patruvo. How did this book come to be? Here is what Agastya said in the very beginning. I will come with the blessings of the holder of the spear. You will use the tip of the spear to write. Divine words uttered by God will acquire life and light. Like the painting of the artist, like the writing of the palm leaf manuscript, like the alphabets A, B, and C, like a delicious fruit, like an oil lamp that gives light to those around it, surrounding the universe accepted by friends. I will give you beautiful Tamil to show the way. What is Vazhipadu? Listening with reverence to my words and worshipping with devotion is Vazhipadu. It is searching for and understanding the inner meaning of my explanations. Of all the giving, the highest is the giving of knowledge. Money, materials will satisfy the physical body only for a short time. Knowledge has power to help people walk on the righteous path, perform good actions, and help to get rid of some bad karmas. Such people will be reborn with good karmas. It is the wisdom that I am now giving to you. When time is narrowing and my deeds are growing like fountain, stream, and rain, the flood of the Vazhipadu I give you will go far and return. வேலனுடைய அருளை பெற்று வருவேன், வேலனுடைய அருளை பெற்று வருவேன், வேல்முனையை வெத்து எழுதுவேன், வேல்முனையை வெத்து எழுதுவேன், வேந்தன் சொல்லும் வாக்கியங்கள் உயிர் பெற்று ஒளி பெற்று ஓவியம் தீட்டும் ஓவியம் போலும், ஓலை எழுத்தில் எழுதுவது போலும், அகார உகார மகார எழுத்து போலும், சுவைமிக்க கனி போலும், சூழ்ந்திருக்க ஒளி தரும் அகால் விளக்கு போல், அகிலம் சூழ நண்பர் ஏற்க அழகு தமிழில் நான் கொடுப்பேன் வழிகாட்ட, அழகு தமிழில் நான் கொடுப்பேன் வழிகாட்ட. நமஸ்காரம்.
Agasthyam